flashlight. Can you show me your flashlight? Where is it? Go get it. Where is it? Can you show Mama? Let's go get it. Come on. We'll both go get it. I think it's over here. Come on. Can you show me? Please. Where's your flashlight? Go get it. Go get your flashlight. Please. Take your binky out and say hi. Do you see? You want to look through the picture? Okay, let's go get your flashlight. Come on. Why? Why?
Sit.
Sit. You're thirsty. Whoa. Come on. Look, you want to look through the picture? Look through the picture. You see your flashlight over there in the picture? There. It's right there, sitting there. You see it? Go get it. It's sitting right there on the little couch. Go get it. Do you see it in the picture? Okay, go get it. Go get the flashlight.
Mm-mm.